Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Hema Bajaj, and
Hi.
you are watching Lose Your Blues Conversations. We have a very special guest today as well, and that's Ankita Danaude. Hi, Ankita.
Hello, everyone. Hi, how are you?
Thank you so much for making possible to come today. And I know a lot of you reached out to me yesterday night saying we didn't receive your link and what happened, where are you? So we had to postpone our talk for one day because yes, Ankita is an airline pilot and we will talk about her more, and she had her flight schedule and we thought it would be best to get her relaxed on her off day. So Ankita, I am very happy to introduce Ankita to you. Ankita Danavade was featured in the Red FM and as well as on Facebook on the Humans of Bombay, and she tells us her story about how she faced a lot of challenges and financial difficulties and opposition from a lot of people while she pursued her dreams. Now, it is very common that all of us have a dream, but not everyone pursues it in spite of so many challenges that they face. Now, Ankita has worked as a personal stylist, a cabin crew, as well as a ground staff operations controller before achieving her dream to become an airline pilot. And today I want to do two things. One, to celebrate her journey because it was super inspiring for me. Also, we will ask Ankita, based on her journey, to tell us 6 ways on how we can trust ourselves. So, in life, a lot of times we believe in our dreams, but sometimes people around us go in doubt. How do we still stand up, anchor ourselves, and persevere? So, presenting to you, Ankita. Ankita, thank you so much for coming. We are really grateful to have you today. And I know it's going to be a fun chat. Please tell us about yourself, who you are, what do you do right now, and how did you reach there really?
Thank you, Miss Bajaj, for this opportunity. I'm so happy that I've got a platform through you to connect to so many people and inspire and spread some positive vibes, especially in this situation where every day we are getting to hear one negative news, one disheartening news. So thank you so much for this opportunity. And as like you mentioned correctly, I'm an airline pilot and I fly for one of the leading airlines of India on domestic and international routes. And yeah, professionally, I do that. And personally, I'm a very adventurous person. I
We
love
are not.
rifle shooting, pottery, kayaking.
Ankita, I think we lost you.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now you're better. I can hear you now.
All right.
Yes. Tell us.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. So I was just telling them that I'm so glad that via you have got this opportunity, this platform to talk, especially in this time when every day we are hearing one negative news, And to tell about myself, I'm an airline pilot and I fly on domestic routes. And personally, I'm in a lot of kayaking, pottery, and I'm into a lot of spiritual things also on meditation, different kinds of meditations and all. So yeah, that's what my life is about.
So amazing. Ankita, tell us, was there a moment in your life when you actually decided you want to be an airline pilot? And I know it's not very uncommon. It's not a very common goal, especially because I know personally you come from a background where your family has doctors. So, was there a moment? Was it easy to take up this decision?
It was not at all easy to take up this decision. Firstly, because 10 years back, 15 years back, there's not a lot of information on social media also, and the two good careers, considered good careers, were doctor or engineer, especially if you are a bright student. But
Absolutely.
thankfully, my parents had brought me up in an environment where I was encouraged to be an all-rounder and try different things and dream different things, along with studies. So I was always looking out for other options because I had that confidence in me being an all-rounder that I can try a lot of things. But initially, so I was very good in arts, and I felt I want to go to JD School of Arts. I want to pursue arts, but somehow it was not encouraged. In those days, arts is drawing, and you can't make drawing as a career. So that was not encouraged. After that, I
Yeah.
wanted to do a few more things, but eventually I got so confused because I was not finding that encouragement. And but still, there used to be a show on Nat Geo called Mission Udan, which they had Indian government Air Force had made up to inspire people to join Air Force. So I really got
Yeah.
hooked on to flying and aviation because of that show. But people told me, no, no, are you mad? You have specs. So I have spectacles, I have eyesight number. And people said,
Oh,
oh, no,
but
no, you can't
even
because are
I
you mad?
thought
Air Force
you,
standards are very strict.
yeah, exactly. I mean, that's what even I thought, that it's not very easy to become an airline pilot if you have spectacles.
Yeah, so then later on, I found out that this rule is only for Air Force pilots. It's not for commercial pilots,
Okay.
provided you clear their required medical tests and spectacles are allowed. So my mother had taken me to an education fair because I was a very confused child because I felt I could do anything, but I was not sure what to do. When so she took me to this education fair, and there I went and sat on every stall, from shoe designing to MBA to aviation. I sat on every stall, and there I
Okay.
sat on this flight simulator, and there the
Hmm.
instructor himself had spectacles. So he was like, no, no,
Wow.
there's nothing. You commercial flying, you completely can pursue it, provided you do your medicals. So, but
Yeah.
I was so skeptical of this dream because लोगों ने इतना डरा दिया था कि this is not at all a dream to career to choose that
Yeah.
immediately in 10th standard only I went for those medical exams, for those
Hmm.
medical checkups,
Hmm.
which are usually recommended after 12th,
Right.
because I didn't want to dream and invest in something if I'm not medically fit. So in 10th itself
Absolutely.
I did my medical checkup, and after that there was no stopping. Of course, I completed my 12th and then I went for my flying to US.
So, this is what a normal pilot's journey will look like. Finish your studies,
Yes.
then get your license and start flying. I know there was something very exceptional in your story, and that is the reason, of course, you're here and you've been featured all across. Would you like to tell all of us what was it about? Was it easy? How was the journey becoming a pilot or getting your license, getting that in your hand?
Getting the license also was not easy. Little did I know. I thought, chalo, it's done. I've cleared my medicals. I'll go to US and yeah, I'll fly. But initially during training itself, I had a change of 7 instructors, just
Wow.
before my release as a pilot. So I did not understand initially why is this happening to me? Am I lacking somewhere? Because, but it was not in my eyes. I used to do two instructor. He used to get a job somewhere else, so he used to leave and go. Then another used to come. Then third one used to come. So initially, those
Right.
days were of a lot of self-doubt because this field was
Hmm.
very new, and everyone's instructors were sticking by them and they were moving ahead of me, and everyone was problem rahega. So you all the more start doubting yourself. But
Hmm.
then I realized that
Right.
for me, I like to give 110%. So slowly I
Hmm.
started realizing I'm giving my 110%. If maybe
Hmm.
luck is not in my hand, or those instructors are not staying by, it's not my problem. So I went up to the school, I took up this matter and told them, I'm ready to wait. You give me an instructor who's going to stick into your school or who's on a contract with the school so that he doesn't run away. So yeah, it was very
Okay.
difficult for initial 8 months because weather used to be bad. Every new instructor, he used to come, he used to say that, I don't know you're flying. You have to do 2-3 flights with me only. Then I will sign you off. But by the time that signing off का time used to come, वो भाग जाता था.
Oh my
So
God.
it took a lot of time, but I kept on preparing. I kept on giving my best. So जो लोग बाद में after the release जो लोग काम 6 महीने में करते हैं, I did it in 4 months, 5
Okay.
months. So yeah, that's how the
But
license,
tell
getting the
me,
license journey was.
I know, yeah, so I know it must be difficult because when you see failure so much and so often,
Yeah,
you kind of start to
yeah.
doubt yourself. So was there a moment, where you started to doubt yourself? Also, I want to touch base a little bit on the investment because I know a lot of people who think, अरे पायलट बना है, एविएशन में जाना है तो बहुत बजट है, बहुत पैसा डालना पड़ेगा. So how did you manage that bit?
So yes, the investment is very high. You at least need 25 lakhs. And the problem is this is a license. This is not an education.
Yeah,
So
so
you don't get an education loan. Have to, it's a very difficult process to get a collateral loan for license, basically.
oh, okay.
Yeah, so that is another thing that it keeps making you feel guilty because obviously you've taken loan and your parents are supporting, but obviously they are supporting you financially also.
Yeah.
So, and of course, initially I had that self-doubt because, like I said, somehow my parents' school life was very protected, and my parents had brought me up in the sense that you are an all-rounder and you can do anything. So, I had not seen failure till then. I had not felt what it feels like to be left behind. I had not felt failure till that time. And it was something, it was not in my hands. अगर इंस्ट्रक्टर्स चेंज
Right.
हो रहे हैं मेरे बार बार वो जॉब छोड़ के जा रहे हैं दैट इज नॉट इन माय हैंड्स तो मैं और करूं
Hmm.
क्या सो ऑल दैट
Exactly.
गिल्ट एंड सेल्फ डाउट वाज देयर इनिशियली
Hmm. Hmm. So then, how did you really manage the self-doubt? Because, at some point of time, a person can come to a position where they want to drop it. कि इतने साल मैं try कर रही हूँ, it's not working and I'm not good enough. So how do you really manage that?
Initially I was a little low, but then I had been practicing yoga since school time. I had never had summer vacations wherein I'm sitting and watching Cartoon Network, or playing on the ground.
Okay.
I have always had summer vacations, waking up at 7 o'clock, going for yoga, then attending different classes. So I started giving creative outlets to my brain again. Weather खराब है, आप flying नहीं कर सकते. How much? Can you hear me? Uh, I don't know if you can hear me.
Hello. Hello.
I think there was some net issue. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I can hear you now, but we can't see you. Huh? I lost your video
Uh,
again.
all right. I think I'll just have to wait because I can see my video. I can't see your video.
Okay.
There's some issue in the net.
Okay, so you were saying basically let's just continue because I think the video will come in due time.
Yeah, no issues. So self-doubt, I was saying that I started doing yoga. I started
Hmm.
giving creative outlets to my brain because that really helps. It's very important to relax when things are not in your hands, but still you want to do something and it's taking
Right.
time.
Right.
So that's what I did. And I waited and I saw to it that what is in my hand is to study and make myself better
Okay.
professionally with respect to knowledge. So yeah, I kept on studying and I kept on diverting my mind to more positive things.
And tell me, I also want to understand because since we are also going through tougher times right now, you
Yeah.
know, how did spirituality or yoga for that matter really, or meditation for that matter, impacts one's health? When you're low, what can we do to
Yeah.
really come out of it?
See, the thing is, spirituality, yoga, any kind of meditation, pranayams. Firstly, it will not give you that instant result like medicine,
True.
antibiotic. It will take time. It will take 6 months for the results to show.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Mm, Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you and see you now both.
All right. So I was saying yoga will take result time for the results to show, but
Yeah,
it's interlinked in the sense that your breathing affects your mind. The way you breathe,
absolutely. Yeah,
shallow, deep, it
yeah.
helps you control your mind. That's why pranayama is important
Yeah.
because once you learn to control your breath, once you become
Mm-hmm.
aware of your breath, you become aware in control of your mind and thoughts. And intuition, it increases
Hmm.
your awareness as to क्या चल रहा है और इससे मुझे
Hmm.
मेरे बॉडी में मेरे माइंड में क्या हो रहा है और हाउ कैन आई चेंज दैट एंड इट हेल्प्स यू बिकम मोर
Right.
रिजिड ऐसे
Right.
ही है ऐसे ही चलेगा
Right.
लाइक
Right.
आर पेरेंट्स के टाइम
Right.
पे व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग इज completely different than what our generation is facing, be it corona
Hmm.
or be it the digital revolution, so we have to keep
Absolutely. Yeah.
changing every day with the technology. Same way we
Yeah.
have to accept that change is the only thing which is constant.
Yeah.
And yoga meditation helps you to change your perspectives, change your habits easily, because eventually it makes you in control of your body, your mind, because we are not in control of
Right.
anything else.
Right. So basically, yoga in our day-to-day life, and it helps us to become more aware and clear with whatever we are doing. So Ankita,
Yes.
let's move ahead with your story. So we know that
Yeah.
you earned your license and came back. Then is it done? Did you start flying, or what happened after that?
So all the while, I was there in US for 14 months and I was so much in hurry and so desperate. Chalo वापस जाके job लेनी है जल्दी से. Had I known while in US that it is going to take 7 years for me to get an airline job, I think I would have enjoyed the US journey more nicely. I don't even have proper pictures of my journey in US because मुझे
Right.
बस वो chase था. We feel happiness is that chase. It's a destination. हम
Yeah.
chase करते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
But had I
Yeah.
known कि मुझे job नहीं मिलने वाली है, recession is going to hit, I would have enjoyed that
Yeah.
US life to the fullest rather than being in future
Yeah.
and dreaming about future. So it was not easy
True.
when I came back. Recession had hit, Kingfisher had gone down, and clearly there were surplus
Hmm.
pilots which were more experienced than me. So nobody is going to take a junior,
Right.
unexperienced
Right.
pilot. So my parents
Right.
suggested that I complete my graduation because education is
Hmm.
important, degree is important. So I did my graduation in the hope that in 1 or 2 years things will get better. but sadly,
Right.
I didn't see things getting better. You subconsciously know what is going on when you keep reading about the topic. So I
True.
thought, let's try another field, like
Hmm.
as a side field,
Yeah.
So I started going for interviews. I was so full of guilt because obviously I'd spent so much of money, and
Yeah.
people start questioning,
True.
इतना पैसा लगा है फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है. And this field is not like engineering, or doctor that
Yeah.
you invest and then you can start. This is
You
something
start
after
reaping.
investing also things are not in. Yeah, this is something
Yeah.
even after investing, it is not under your control. It is on your luck, on your stars. I don't know. Like you can say a lot of external factors.
Yeah.
So I went for hotel management interviews. I went for pharmaceutical company interviews. I got through also a few of them, but
Okay.
somewhere I was not getting convinced because maybe it was not of my choice. Out of guilt, I just wanted to start earning. But
Yeah.
I was very good at styling and grooming and all those things. So I worked as a personal stylist for a while, and then I
Hmm.
realized that after that market had started opening up. But like you said,
Right.
and I did not have anyone from my family into aviation. There was no one to guide. So I used to go fall and
Right.
then come to know, अरे ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना था. I used to go fail in an exam and then realize, अरे ये book नहीं ये book से पढ़ना था, because there is no syllabus for
Okay.
our this thing from anywhere and everywhere. Then I
Okay.
started realizing कुछ लोगों को पहले से पता होता था एग्जाम कब आने वाली है, and I
Hmm.
used to feel very angry from inside that
Hmm.
why am I stuck, my knowledge,
Right.
my hard work, willingness to work is there, but why? Because I'm an outsider. So I decided then,
Yeah.
I was like, I am not going to play a victim. I'm going to take charge, and if my complaint is I don't know anyone in aviation, I will become part of the aviation. If I want to be
Yeah.
a part of the game and win the game, I मैं मैदान में फिर उतर
So,
जाती, जो पोस्ट मिले वो.
yeah. So I think this is wonderful because, the whole idea of taking charge of your life and moving from being a victim to actually owning the responsibility and accountability of the life is a step to moving towards trusting your abilities in yourself. So, which is
Absolutely.
seen so evidently in your story. Plus, I really like that bit, what you told about chasing our dreams. So many a times when we look at a dream, we look at it more from the destination point of view. कि ये कर लेते हैं तब हमें खुशी मिल
Yeah,
जाएगी. Without thinking, then
correct.
probably the journey actually will give us the kind of satisfaction. You could have enjoyed the US culture, the studies there, meeting, interacting. So that was really
Yeah.
beautiful. So then, Ankita, what happens next? Now you are this girl who've come out of victimhood, and now you've taken charge of your life. So what do you do next?
So like I told you, I decided नहीं, बस मैं तो अभी मैदान में उतर जाऊंगी. I am not going to complain कि मेरा कोई फैमिली में नहीं है, मुझे कोई कॉन्टैक्ट्स नहीं मिल रहे, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So I started applying for cabin crew jobs because that is for as per my qualification that was readily available. Vacancies were there for cabin crew opening. And but I am, someone who's very pampered at home. I used to have 24-hour maid at home, so it was very uncomfortable thought for me to start doing that job, because
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
and
can
then
you
to
hear
go
me?
and serve is like,
Can you hear me?
yeah, now I can.
All
I
right,
can
I'm
now.
so sorry, guys. I just don't know. Like it's been a tough
There's
time.
just a little bit
कभी
of
कभी कुछ
lag. No, it's
yeah.
okay.
So yeah, it was a difficult decision for me to make, and so I decided I will
Yeah,
apply for International
internet is
Airlines.
as unpredictable.
Yeah, as
Yeah.
life.
So I also know that you took up jobs uh, not because they were your dream, but because they were leading to your dream. So,
Yes.
do you want to share with us how that happened? Because I really like that. You know what happens in life, and I do it myself sometimes. I've seen a lot of my friends do it. That when they have a dream,
Okay.
they will not take anything that that is lesser than a dream, or say it's something else, without realizing that actually, there could be baby steps taking you towards your dream. And that's so evident from your story a little bit for us.
Yeah, like you so rightly said, that a lot of people are not willing to do jobs because in India में एक mentality है कि ये job नीचा है और ये job अच्छा है, ऊपर वाला है. But thankfully, whatever time I had spent in the US, वहाँ पे कोई job छोटा नहीं है, कोई job बड़ा नहीं है, as far as you're getting the dollars home and you are living your lifestyle. So I am a very good observer and I observed वहाँ पे तो after 18 kids are kicked out and they earn and learn, and ऐसे कोई बात नहीं वो मैगडी में burgers भी बेचेंगे floor भी somewhere was influenced by that culture in US. And
Mhm.
so I thought let's start applying for international airlines. अगर ये job करनी है, I was very skeptical of Indian
Mhm.
passenger profile. You know how they are. We Indians literally have
Yeah.
those habits which are not really likable. Manners and discipline.
Yeah.
We are really not into
Hmm.
following them. So I thought let's apply for
Yeah.
international airlines because they were recruiting that time. But I kept failing. I did one session only. So some people told me, "Arey, nahi, you keep quiet and sit. So they will take you." तो मैंने चुप बैठ के देखिए. Some people told me, "No, no, you be the host, तो सब कुछ करके देख लिया, but I kept on failing. 4 times I failed for the same round, but eventually it made me so good. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can, but there is a lag. As in, कभी lag हो रहा है,
Okay,
कभी fast जा रहा है.
okay, okay. So yeah, all the failures of me not able to get through that Jet Airways. So I got through Jet Airways as a cabin crew because I think those failures prepared me for this airlines interview. And by that time I thought, चलो international नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं हो
Yeah.
रहा है, domestic options है, because I was more on solution oriented than being a problem oriented
Right.
person. I was done with having problems. So I
Yeah.
found a solution. What if international, ये तो मेरी जिद है कि मुझे वहां जाना है. Jobs तो available है domestic
Exactly.
market में भी. So yeah, I got through Jet as a cabin crew. I was for a year I worked as a cabin crew, and but
Yeah.
I realized that job I was getting complacent. I'm having good layovers, I'm having good money, everything is nice. I don't want to study. कौन पढ़ाएगा? घूमने तो मिल ही रहा है वैसे भी. And also, I was nearing 5 years of my license. It's a license. My license had an expiry.
Okay.
तो मेरा license 5
Okay.
साल हो गया था, वो expire होने वाला था. And obviously,
Okay.
leaves was becoming a problem. So I decided I had to leave the job because renewing my license was more important to me rather more than living that high flying life. So I made sure
Right.
I have enough funds to renew my license because I did not want to ask money at home again. And I resigned from the company
Hmm.
and I went to renew my license again in Hyderabad. I spent another year renewing all that which had lapsed. So after that also there were no jobs. Somehow I was not getting through
But tell
also
me
whichever
one
chota
thing.
mota.
I have a question. It's not very easy when you're comfortable in a space doing a job like lifestyle, and getting to do the travel, breaking this circle of comfort zone and actually moving
Yeah.
into again struggling for your dream is not a very easy aspect to do. So how did you make that
Yes.
decision? Did that come easy? Did your family support you on that, or they were like, "Arey, अच्छा कर रही है, just continue, पैसे अच्छे आ रहे हैं, just continue."
Yeah, like you said, obviously it was a really very good job, and my family also thought that it's a very well-paying job and it satisfies most of your criterias of traveling, having a traveling job, and all those things. And it's basically it's paying well. So why do you want to leave it and start struggling again? But I don't know. Somehow I just couldn't stand that thought of my license is expiring. And it's only
Exactly.
when you get out of your comfort zone there is a chance to live your dream life. If you keep doing the same thing you are going to have same results, so you cannot complain कि मेरे को ये नहीं मिल रहा है or something is not happening because you're doing the same thing. I read this somewhere. I used to read a lot of self-help books,
Hmm.
and it kept
Right.
on saying if you are not going to change, if you're not going to change
Hmm.
your ways, then please don't complain about your life. So I decided I want a change in my life, and I am willing to change for it. So yeah, and
Hmm.
everything of course has a price to pay, and you have to be prepared to pay that price of discomfort.
Hmm. But also tell me, now you were here, you left your job. Then what did you do to search ahead? Was it easy for you? What did you do next?
So I used to keep on reading. I used to keep on reading aviation articles, aviation posts. I used to keep on visiting airline websites, careers, because in this field, a lot of agencies are also there, which might fool you by taking your money. So it's very important for you to
Hmm.
be updated of the market also, along with your knowledge.
Right.
So I got to
Right.
know that one of the airlines in India has an
Mm-hmm.
internal program, and it's
Mm-hmm.
said that time it's said that if you work in our airline in any department, and if you have a qualification for
Hmm.
other department, after 2 years you
Hmm.
can appear for the same
Hmm.
exams are going to be same like
Hmm.
outsiders. It's just that this will be
Okay.
you'll be competing with internal people, and after 2 years
Okay.
if you qualify for all the levels in one go, you will be recruited in the
Hmm.
new department, and first three rankers will get a scholarship if you pass all the 5 stages in one go, and rest of them also will get token amount for the training of
Hmm.
bigger jets. So I
Hmm.
thought, why not? Like this might be. I told myself I can't keep going on like that, like crazy woman. This will be my last chance. And so my family and everyone suggested, after being a crew, why do you want to be a ground
Hmm.
staff? But
Exactly.
I was very sure. I calculated. I write down pros and cons. And
Wow.
as a cabin crew, you are expected to share the room with another girl. So obviously, I will
Okay.
not study when I'm sharing a room. I will not study when I'm traveling the world. I will not study when
Exactly.
I have weird sleeping cycles. So I
Hmm.
wanted a job which is maybe a 10-hour fixed timing job. I come back home
Hmm.
and I study. So I took up ground
Hmm.
staff job, so hoping that 2 years I will be in this department, and then I'll get an
Hmm.
internal transfer after passing the exams.
But that
So yeah,
also
that's
looks
how.
like a demotion, really. And I'm sure it must not be easy because your family, your friends, and people in your friend circle at workplace would tell you that, what are you doing and why are you doing this?
Yeah, absolutely. Means thankfully I've been blessed with parents and relatives who are very supportive. But life always compensates super niche. But on a friend circle, I have been very judgmental friends. So some of them
Hmm.
said, "अरे ये तो उल्टा जा रही है, cockpit से cabin में आ गई, cabin crew बन गई, अभी नीचे उतर गई, अभी ground पे आ गई." Then someone said, this. So I was recruited in security initially. Ground staff
Okay.
also has a lot of departments. So
Okay.
initially I was recruited in security department. So someone said, "Arey, this is the watchman ka job. My parents to will
My
never
God.
allow watchman ka job karne ke
Okay.
liye, you know." But my threshold of my parameter of or the reference point of judging myself was my
Hmm.
American life, what I had seen, and I had seen everyone works. सब झाड़ू भी
Right.
मारते हैं वहां पे, अपने बर्गर्स भी सेल करते हैं और बड़ी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटीज में भी जाते हैं.
Yeah.
It's just that we Indians are little judgmental. जो कोई अलग कर रहा है ना, हम उसको कुछ ना कुछ बोल देते हैं.
Hmm.
So I was well prepared that at the end the journey became so tough that I had this my blinkers on, and
Hmm.
I was like, I've given myself 2 years. ना मुझे कुछ सुनाई दे रहा है, ना मुझे और कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है. I just can see what I want.
Okay.
Ignorance is bliss. So that's what I told myself.
Okay. So right. So when people keep pulling you down also, if you are really focused on your goal and you actually know why you're doing what you're doing, then I think we have to just keep at it and keep on going at it. And also I like this whole aspect, where you put your pros and cons on paper, because a lot of time that gives us the clarity to understand why are we choosing one thing over the
Absolutely.
other thing.
Yes.
So I'm going to probably use that henceforth, when I'm making my choices, to write down and see, what are the pros and cons in both respects. Now, tell me, I understand you must be a phase right now where you must be so desperate for wanting the license. Did it come easy to you, or you had to struggle there as well?
So when I was a ground staff, initially things were fine, but of course the process took a long time because it's not like essay gaye,
Okay.
and there are 5 stages. You have to
Yeah.
pass 5 different kind of exams wherein you are tested even psychologically. So the
Wow.
whole process to get done took 3 years. Even though on the paper it was 2 years, and then you can change department, the whole process takes
Okay.
3 years. But
Hmm.
it was not as difficult because the challenging part was communicating and commuting from Thane, I think Thane to Andheri,
Okay.
So
Hmm.
I used to be like on the rickshaw, then train, then metro, then again rickshaw.
Wow.
So and doing this with a 10-12 hour shift is a pain. And then you have to compete with everyone who's sitting at home and studying for 16 hours, 10 hours.
Absolutely.
So for me, that time also a lot of colleagues,
Hmm.
something I learned during my aviation journey, our
Hmm.
colleagues and friends are two different things. Your
Hmm.
colleagues are your colleagues first and then your friends, because there also I was scared, people scared me saying, अरे तू तो थाने से आती है, हम तो बाजू में अंधेरी में रहते हैं, हम तो बड़ा पढ़ेंगे. How are you going to study 10, 12 hours of shift and then 4 hours of forget clearing all five
Hmm.
exams. So, of
Hmm.
course, again, but by that time I was so strong and determined because I told myself this is
Hmm.
your last chance. You can't keep stretching because obviously 7 years you're chasing something. So,
Hmm.
people start feeling that you're crazy and start giving you options. अरे तुझे इतना दिमागी IAS बन जा,
Hmm.
you are very good at grooming and makeup, कोई beautician का course कर ले,
Hmm.
तो I was like ये मेरे को करना ही पड़ेगा, इसके बाद इसमें कुछ नहीं हुआ तो I will have to think of the options. And somewhere that was more a dreading thought for me. So I was like, 2 years if I'm giving to myself, I will give my
Give it
best.
fully.
I will give
Yeah.
200, 1000, पता नहीं कितना percent है. So I had my study material recorded in my phone as audio. I had,
Hmm.
I used to carry books. I used to read the books during my breaks while traveling.
Wow.
I used to feel giddy. कभी I used to feel giddy while the car is moving and the autos are moving. You can't
Hmm.
read it properly. I had my
Right.
audios recorded on my phone. So
Hmm.
I just saw to it that this is it. And if people are saying, like, I take people's judgments as a critical feedback, and I thought,
Hmm.
yeah, this is a reality. लोग अंधेरी में बाजू में रह के मुझसे ज्यादा ही
Hmm.
पढ़ने वाले हैं. I am going to waste time in traveling.
Hmm.
So
So you were
I
making the
think,
most of it. Yeah.
yeah, that awareness led me to give my 300%.
Hmm. Hmm. So amazing. So when you have a goal, you just give out everything, just do everything for it. And then I
Yeah.
also know that you won a scholarship for your aviation. And tell us
Yes.
something about that. Did you intentionally prepare for it, or that happened, or what happened really?
No, no, not at all. See, I was failing continuously for 7 years, so I did not have that in mind कि मेरे को scholarship मिल जाएगी, मैं तो इतनी best हूँ कि मेरे को मिल जाएगी. I was just concentrating on passing all the stages like nobody else. I want to pass. I just don't want to fail. And if I want to pass, I have to give my 200%. So, like I said, there are a lot of positions under ground staff also. So
Right.
initially, security position that post started taking a toll on my health because उसका काम है आप पूरा time धूप में खड़े रहो, आप बारिश में खड़े रहो, ramp पे काम होता है.
Right.
It's
Hmm.
all on the air side. So I requested my
Okay.
managers. They were very kind
Hmm.
enough. Like I said, God always compensates. If I
Hmm.
had those judgmental
True.
colleagues, my managers were very nice. So they
Hmm.
put me into terminal for ticketing and boarding and that kind of a job. And
Okay.
during that time, I think I was lucky enough कि वहाँ पे एक position की opening निकली थी, which was of doing more of dispatching duties,
Hmm. Hmm.
communicating, dispatching, and lot of planning. And nobody wanted to go there because
Hmm.
if anything wrong happens, you will be the one who will be blamed and you will be the one who will be responsible. But I
Yeah.
was the job I was chasing for is either way is a big responsibility. So I was not scared of
Hmm.
responsibilities
Hmm.
because I was confident of my work.
Okay.
And so nobody wanted to go there. I took up
Hmm.
that job, and there I could work also because a lot of work used to be on computer. There was no passenger contact, there was no
Right.
aircraft contact, of course, but there used to be three
Hmm.
computer screens, and it used to be a 12-hour shift.
Hmm.
So out of 12 hours,
Hmm.
I used to get 2 hours to study and rest 10 hours to work
Hmm.
on those three computers and multitask. So I
Hmm.
think choosing what nobody wanted to do, I chose it because
Hmm.
I knew I can make time for my studies. Again,
Yeah.
prioritizing. Like I said,
Yeah.
you have to know your priorities right. My priority
Hmm.
was not hanging out at the airport and look
Hmm.
glamorous and
Hmm.
do passenger. I was not a people person either way.
Hmm.
So मुझे तो और भी खुशी हो गई है कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठना है. Cockpit is also full of computers. I was like ये अच्छा ये multitasking हो जाएगी.
Hmm.
So, and my managers were kind enough. They were like, "अरे कोई जाने के लिए ready नहीं, you're going ready to go. Please go there." So
Hmm.
they sent me there, and last 1 year of my service, I was to be alone sitting for 12 hours in front of those three computers.
Hmm.
And I studied, I took classes wherever I
Hmm.
felt I was lagging because जो मैंने 7 साल पहले जो कर रहे थे वो
Hmm.
हर साल रिन्यू होता है, टेक्नोलॉजीज रिन्यू होती है. So to
Hmm.
keep myself updated, I saved money and I took
Hmm.
classes also. I took my
Hmm.
peer people's help and everything.
Hmm.
And yeah, those exams were a cakewalk. I think जो 7 साल
Wow.
के failures थे, that I didn't know. Now I realize that everything prepared me to be the best. And of
Hmm.
course, I came first all India first three. I was amongst them. And as per the policy, so
Amazing.
they had to give me a scholarship for of 75% to get a training on a bigger aircraft, jet aircraft.
Wow.
So my
Wow.
company sent me to Madrid for the training. Yeah.
Hmm. Amazing. That sounds so good.
Thank
And I
you.
remember during our conversation earlier, you also told me, when there was a moment where you were very desperate to get the license and nothing seemed to work out. And then you just
Yeah.
surrendered. You just surrendered
Yes.
thinking that you want to give your best for it.
Yeah.
And in these 2 years, if you don't make it, you will see for other options. So sometimes, probably, when you run too much behind something that you want in your life, you end up pushing it away. And
Yes.
I
Yes.
really like the way, Ankita, you did it. You put your best
Thank you
and then
so much.
surrendered, and you just waited for the universe to come back to you with even more than what you expected for it. which
Yeah,
was
honestly,
amazing.
meditation and all these things had taught me these things. Eventually, when you start doing a lot of meditation and all that, obviously because I needed that kind of mental strength, so I kept on exploring those spiritual pathways. My interview was not easy, and I literally felt
Okay.
I'm going to fail, and I was scared. अब मैं क्या करूंगी? Initially I was scared that if I fail now, अब क्या इसके आगे I can't convince myself also. I'm done
Hmm.
trying. मतलब सब ground staff भी बन गया, मैं और क्या करूं? मतलब कोई पोजीशन मैंने ये इंडस्ट्री में छोड़ी नहीं है जहाँ मैंने काम नहीं किया, सारे सारे पोस्ट पे काम कर लिया, अब कुछ बचा नहीं है. Initially I was scared, but then after the interview I remember telling myself I am a good person, I am a hardworking positive human being, and this is it. I am surrendering. I am not going to be like, like if you try to hold the sand in your hand, the
Exactly.
more it
More
you
time.
hold it, it's going to flow off. So
Yeah.
I was like, कुछ ना
Yeah.
कुछ मैं अपनी लाइफ का कर ही लूंगी, मैं इतनी बुद्धू लड़की नहीं हूँ. हाँ, I'll
Hmm.
have to change track again, and I'll have to
Hmm.
start from scratch one again. But it can be done. Nothing is perfect. So
Hmm.
I surrendered it. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. नहीं हुआ तो भी ठीक है. कुछ ना कुछ तो लाइफ का कर ही लूंगी. I think that
Right.
works. That works.
Right, right. Yeah, trust in yourself and believe in yourself is a basic fundamental. So when you know your
Yeah.
capabilities, you say ठीक है ये नहीं होगा तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लूंगी मेरे लाइफ में
Exactly.
और
Yeah.
let's just give it all out, all जो भी है सब दे दो.
Yeah.
Let's just
Yeah.
give it all out. Superb. So Ankita, we have a lot of questions on our chats, and I have a very
All right.
relevant question which says that how is the competition between male and female, especially since we don't see a lot of female pilots out there doing this job? How would you describe the male female equation and the competition therein to become pilot?
The ratio is quite less compared to men and women, but you would be surprised. I thank my stars for that I'm born in India, because India has highest ratio of female captains considered to other nations.
Wow,
Like
one clap
agar
for Indian captains and
yeah, yeah,
Indian
yeah.
females.
So the competition, I think once you get into an airline, there is no competition, because in an airline, while you are training or anywhere, your aircraft also doesn't know that who's flying near. It's a guy or a girl. But to allow the competition is when you have to dream to become a pilot. I think not
Right,
many girls are encouraged, because in India हम लोग को लगता है कि इतने पैसे क्यों खर्च करें. Secondly,
yeah,
there is a long
exactly.
wait, and things are very unpredictable.
Hmm.
Financially, so nowadays even MBBS and a lot of fields need that kind of financial input.
Yes.
But this is not encouraged, especially for girls, because it takes time. So then marriageable age is considered and all those things. Girls,
Hmm.
plus this is a very technical field, and हमेशा टॉप गन में लड़कों को ही दिखाया है, डॉग टैग्स पहन के एयरक्राफ्ट से उतर रहे हैं, ऐसे गॉगल्स पहन रहे हैं. ये लड़कियों ने किया नहीं है. सो आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स डोंट ट्राई टू ड्रीम अबाउट इट. इफ दे ट्राई टू ड्रीम, कोई कुछ बोल देगा तो दे लेट गो ऑफ दैट ड्रीम. सो कंपटीशन इज देयर when it comes to encouraging girls to take up technical fields. Once you are in the airline, there's no competition, because you are not taken into the airline on basis of you're a girl or a boy.
Right, right. So I'm clubbing a few questions by
Okay.
Dr. Yatin and Sonali here. So they all want to know what's the current situation in aviation, and is it a good choice to choose aviation as a career? How stringent the
Okay.
criteria are to be selected?
Okay. Firstly, I would suggest, even if you before you start to dream to become a captain, get yourself medically tested. These tests are done initially by Indian Air Force centers, and
Okay.
a lot of things like color blindness, your eyesight, everything
Hmm.
is checked, and their criterias are there. So if
Hmm.
you are clearing that medical, then of course you can go for your training, because for us these medical exams we have to give it every year.
Okay.
जब से आपका लाइसेंस आएगा तब से एवरी ईयर आपको वो मेडिकल
Hmm.
टेस्ट क्लियर करनी है. और अगर आप मेडिकली अनफिट हो जाते हो तो योर लाइसेंस इज ऑल्सो
Okay.
of no use, because you cannot fly when you are medically not well.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is one part. And second part, situation is very bad right now. As we all know, there is that
Yeah.
economic recession, not only for aviation, sub fields के लिए है. I would
All industry.
suggest taking license and converting. Yeah, taking a license and doing the flying lessons and everything, it takes approximately 2 years, and it takes a lot of
Hmm.
financial investment. So if you are very
Hmm.
financially strong, you know, if you have a
Hmm.
collateral property against which you can take a
Hmm.
loan, or agar if you have
Hmm.
invested 20-30 lakhs and you don't mind, then
Hmm.
you can probably think of going for flying training, because
Hmm.
by the time in this 2 years, once you complete the training and have a
Hmm.
license, market will start opening up. But otherwise, if you're not
Right.
that financially strong, I would suggest wait for some time. The age limit is
Hmm.
still there till 34, 35. You can try.
Hmm.
Make yourself
Hmm.
financially strong. Have a concrete
Hmm.
plan that if till the time
Hmm.
after making this investment, how am I going to pay those EMIs? And then probably jump into this field.
Hmm. Hmm. So yes, we have one more question which is related to this, which Swaroop is asking. Interesting question, that is, can someone get license in their 30s or 40s? So there are a lot of people who are getting inspired from you and want to apply for license now. So can they get license in their 30s or 40s?
They can get their license in their 30s, but the maximum age limit for the airlines to recruit you as a pilot, I think, is 35. But even if you want to pursue flying as a hobby, you know, you are most welcome. You can get
Yeah.
a private. There's something called a private pilot license, and US में तो they
Yes.
fly airplanes like a hobby. You know, जैसे हम मोटरसाइकिल चलाते
Hmm.
हैं, वहाँ पे उठ के लोग फ्लाइंग करने
Yeah.
चले जाते हैं. So all you have to do, even to pursue or to get that feel of flying a small aircraft, you
Yeah.
can pursue it as a hobby, but not as an airline pilot.
Right. So, Swaroop, you can very well pursue this as a hobby, but not as a airline
Yeah.
pilot. I also know because I basically wrote to Pawan Hans to check for hobby flying, and if you write to them, they send you the contact details of the pilot, and if you apply for the license, you will actually end up what it says.
Okay.
Appears to be very tough in aviation industry than any other industry. Your views on it?
Like the situation.
Yeah, as in getting to fly or getting a job in aviation
Can you hear
appears
me?
to be very tough as compared to like
Hello.
7
Can you hear
years.
me? Sorry, I think I just missed out on the question.
A lot of lag.
Mm.
Did you hear? So I was saying the question says that it appears your industry, aviation, appears to be very tough in order to get a job. What are your views on it as compared to any other industry? Now, when we look at you, it took really long, lot of hard work and
Yes, yes.
hello. I think I'll know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, you are right. It takes a lot of time, especially if you don't know anyone, and especially if the recession keeps hitting, you know. It's all
Yeah.
about the timing. I think if Kingfisher would not have gone down, I would have easily got through. I would not have had to struggle for so many years. So it's about
Yeah.
timing also. Yes, it is difficult, but which at the same time I feel that in any field, if you think, you have to spend time in that particular career. It takes time for your career to start blooming, you know. So I feel yes, it is difficult, but at the same time, it is dependent on the kind of timing you are entering that industry.
Okay, I have a very interesting question here. Of course, can aviation training help to become an astronaut? I'm not sure if that works that way.
Yeah, even I doubt. Of course, the subjects will be the same, but I don't think a license is dependent upon astronaut. I'm really not sure of this question.
Okay, somebody wants to know what is the age limit to join, as in, the starting age to become a pilot.
Minimum is 18. At 18, you can have a CPL license, commercial flying
Okay.
pilot license, and you can join an airline. And maximum age, it depends upon the airlines also, from 35 to
Okay.
38. Sometimes, if the requirements are more, airlines will recruit you at age of 38 also. If the
Okay.
requirement is not there, they limit the age to
Okay.
35 years also. So
Okay.
it's changing.
Okay, so basically it keeps changing, and
Yeah.
so one has to really look out and see, what that current requirement is. So, Ankita, your story was very interesting, and of course, I came across your story on one of the Indigo
Yes.
platforms, and that's how I really reached out to you, because
Okay.
it was super inspiring
All
to
right.
me. I also want to
Okay.
know that
Thank you.
my entire life, and I am sure there'll be many people around here who think that aviation jobs and becoming a pilot is very glamorous, and we don't know
Mhm.
there was so much hard work that goes behind it, to actually get on to that
Yes.
position. So what was the most challenging part, if I have to point out? I know you had a lot of failures and a lot of people judging you. What was the most challenging part for you out of everything that happened in your journey to becoming a pilot?
Yeah.
Okay, I
For
lost you.
me, the most challenge I think was the challenge of those 7 years. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can.
I can hear you. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So I think for me, the most challenging part was going through those 7 years and continuously failing, keep failing, keep failing, not getting anywhere where you want to go. And as far as the
Right.
glamorous life is considered, you said it very rightly, it appears to be very glamorous.
Absolutely.
And लोगों को लगता है अरे अच्छा है तुमको तो बहुत घूमने मिल रहा है फ्री टिकट्स मिल रही होंगी which is not true, you know. I have been on
Hmm.
layovers. Layovers means staying in another country for minimum rest. Is we have minimum rest of maybe 12 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours.
Right.
And from those 15
Hmm.
hours, by the time you
Hmm.
get down from the aircraft and reach the hotel, 2 hours go in that when till you
Hmm.
clear your immigration and everything. And our timings are
Right.
such, you know. Today I have to wake, if I have to wake up at 2 a.m. Tomorrow I'll have
Hmm.
to wake up at 7 p.m. So कभी कभी शाम
Hmm.
को सोना पड़ता है, कभी कभी सुबह सोना पड़ता है. So out of those 15
Hmm.
hours, 10 12 hours are gone down in planning your sleep, lunch, dinner and laundry. There
Right.
have been times I have not been able to go out
Wow.
on a layover also, you know. And trust me, it is very difficult to sleep at 7 o'clock in the evening, get up again on the next day on a new bed, new environment, have some kind of new
Absolutely. Yeah.
food. And the food
Hmm.
in the hotels is, you know how it is. Sometimes it ends up upsetting
Yeah.
your stomach. Then you can't sleep again. By the time you sleep, it's time to wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning. So,
Wow.
and for us, every time a lot of softwares keep changing, weather keeps
Hmm.
changing. So, according to that, our procedures keep changing. New airport, new
Right.
taxi, new study. So,
Hmm.
people tell me, अरे अभी तक पढ़ रही है, जॉब मिल गया फिर भी पढ़ रही है, ये पढ़ाई रुकी नहीं रही है, अभी भी पढ़ रही है. every 6 months we have to go through emergency trainings, revision in the simulators, so
Yeah.
for that again I have to study. Anything, something new thing happens, again I have to study. I am in my books every 2-3 days, trust me. So
Wow.
it is
Wow.
not glamorous. It is not waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning and studying and flying and having your sleep cycle, body cycle go for a toss is very
Yeah.
difficult.
Change
You won't
completely.
believe, मुझे कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता, मैं कोई होटल में उठती हूँ तो ये कौन सा होटल है
Ah.
एंड मैं कहाँ कितने बजे उठी हूँ ये याद नहीं रहता है. फिर उसके
Hmm.
बाद वो मूड स्विंग्स एंड योर स्लीप साइकिल स्विंग्स अलग से होते हैं. सो इट
Hmm.
इज नॉट ग्लैमरस एट ऑल, मतलब वो दिखने के लिए है बस.
So, all those of you, including me, who thought that pilots have glamorous lifestyles, you hear what she has to say about it.
Yeah.
So, Ankita, based on your journey, I know every step in your journey, there was a moment where you had a doubt because of the environment, because how things were moving, and then you trusted yourself to move forward every step. And 7 years is not a small journey to step by step reach and trust
Yeah.
yourself at every juncture. So
Yeah.
based on our journey, like our today's topic is, what would be your suggestion for any of our viewers who have a dream and who want to
Yeah.
really trust themselves, but they have people telling them it's impossible, you're not so good, or facing a lot of
Yeah.
rejections. So, what are
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
tips for us on that?
So there are quite few tips or suggestions you can say, and I'm gonna give you that with examples. So I just don't want to give you
Yeah,
those textbook liners, you know.
yeah,
So my first thing is don't be afraid of different experiences, experiments, and failures, because we are so busy thinking ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, ये मैंने किया नहीं है कभी. So don't be afraid of failures.
right,
Like you all have heard my journey now. My all failures I think have led me to that scholarship. आज की डेट में तो कोई फ्री में कोई कहीं पैसे नहीं देता है ऐसे. So I failed international cabin crew interviews 4 times, but that itself prepared me to clear Jet Airways cabin crew interview. And
right,
sometimes life will
right.
not give you options of choose between good and bad. You will have to choose between bad and worse. It is upon you, your limit and your self analysis, that what you
Right.
can select. So don't be afraid of making choices and sticking to them and give them time. We are just jumping, we are in that mode of instant
Yeah.
gratification. But if
Yeah.
you are not going to water that plant,
Hmm.
you can't expect flowers and fruits for a specific time.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
No,
my
I really
first.
like that because I know since a lot of us are so used to Google, we want everything quick. It should happen
Yeah.
quick. You don't want to invest. So if you basically have taken some decision, made a choice, water
Yes.
it, invest in it, give it time to grow. Yeah,
Yes.
that's very relevant. And of course, don't shy away from failing or experimenting, even though people judge
Yeah.
you on anything else. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Any other
And
last thoughts? Yeah, on the same. Any other tips for
um
them?
yeah, like I have actually I've written down, I have 6 major tips. If you may
Oh,
allow,
that's
I could
amazing.
just
Yes,
cover
please.
them
Yes,
quickly.
please.
So that was my first tip, which was don't be afraid of failures, experiments, and experiences. And my second tip is have a hobby and have a spiritual side in your life. They are two different things, hobby and spiritual side. Hobbies, because they are very important for your monkey mind to relax, to give your brain a break. And spiritual side, because it will increase your awareness, it will increase your intuition, and it will give you the power to have a lot of different perspectives than to have a rigid mind. So
Hmm.
that is my second tip. And the third is the most important tip जिससे हम सबको bother होता है, that what
Hmm.
will people say, society, लोग क्या
Society.
कहेंगे, you know,
Yeah.
like the cliched thing.
Yeah.
Because I've had a lot of experiences. You know, you are a doctor. I know you practice Reiki also. I do
Hmm.
chakra meditation Reiki, you know. But then when I
Hmm.
learned this, people used to say that, अरे ये तो कुछ, you know, पता नहीं है क्या black magic कर रही है, or you know, this is crazy. When I was working as a cabin crew, my girlfriend said, अरे ये तो ट्रे उठाने वाली जॉब है, हम तो कभी नहीं करेंगे, हमारे पेरेंट्स तो कभी नहीं अलाउ करेंगे ट्रे उठाने वाली जॉब करने के लिए. Like I said, when I was in security, they said, अरे
Yeah.
ये तो वॉचमैन की जॉब है, you know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when I won the scholarship, people around me, my colleagues said, अरे ये तो बहुत शानी लड़की निकली, चुपचाप आके अपना काम निकाल के चली गई. You know. So अब मैं चुपचाप आके काम करके घर जा रही हूँ तो प्रॉब्लम है. अब मैं मतलब हैप्पी गो लकी पार्टी करने वाली, यू नो, चल करने वाली लड़की रहती तो आई वुड हैव बीन द चालू गर्ल. तो लोग बोलेंगे ही, यू नो,
लोग
लोग
बोलेंगे.
बोलेंगे ही, उनका काम है बोलना, आप कुछ भी करो.
Yeah.
बट
Hmm.
only thing which should matter to you is what your parents say, what your support system say,
Hmm.
and what people are getting positive changes in your life, what they say. Nothing else matters, you know. Abhi bhi
Hmm.
I used to, when I did not
Right.
have a job, building में भी लोग, you know, these typical uncle aunties used to say, अरे लड़कियों को ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, पता
Hmm.
नहीं where कहाँ जाती है, रात को आती है, सुबह जाती है. But these same people now are coming to me and asking me for free tickets. फिर मैं तो ऐसी लड़की हूँ तो फ्री टिकट्स मत पूछो मुझे. फिर वैसे भी नहीं मिलती है फ्री टिकट्स, किसी को आजकल कुछ नहीं मिलता फ्री. सो पीपल आर गोइंग टू से थिंग्स. प्लीज हैव योर दोस गांधी जी के बंदर के दैट सेकंड साइन ऑफ ईयर्स क्लोज्ड.
Yeah.
Ignorance is bliss. Take constructive feedback, listen to your support system, and just forget everything else. That's my third tip.
Third tip.
And yeah, and the fourth one is, be very cautious. Be very cautious of rat races, timelines, and comparisons. You will never understand, or you, if you are not aware, you'll not even know कि आप उसमें कब घुस गए हो, rat race में. Because you know, this rat race is there personally also and professionally also. Like now that I have those 3 stripes
Typically.
on my shoulder, people asking me, अरे चौथा
One
स्ट्राइप
more.
कब आएगा, चौथा कब आएगा. तो हमने किसी को देखा है 2 साल में 4 स्ट्राइप के साथ घूमते हुए, आपने किसी को देखा है? I know tomorrow if I get married, the next question will be like, when is the baby coming, you
Yeah.
know.
बच्चा कब
So people
आएगा?
are going to put you in the rat race. Nobody, when I got my job, 1 year I did not do
Hmm.
any chasing, you know, because मुझे चाहिए था, मुझे कुछ नहीं चेस करना है. 7 साल मैंने एक चीज को चेस किया है.
Enjoy करना
I'm
है.
not chasing anything.
Yeah.
मैं enjoy करने वाली हूँ. I was traveling. I was doing all
Yeah.
that I had missed on. I took my leaves to enjoy every festival, every hobby that I had missed on, because I had put
Wow.
everything on hold
Superb.
just for one thing. So nobody asked me, are you happy? What are you doing?
Yeah.
What is giving you happiness now? Nobody asked me. What people ask
Hmm.
me is like,
Hmm.
next, come next. So that is the
Next,
rat race.
आगे क्या? Yeah.
हाँ, that is the
Next
rat
what?
race. Then comparisons happen, you know. Comparisons तो
Hmm.
बचपन से ही होते हैं. And
Hmm.
timelines, you know, people
Hmm.
have those timelines. ये उम्र में ये हो जाना चाहिए, but that is really
Hmm.
not true, because our lives are
Right.
different. God has given us different destinies. God has given us different
Absolutely.
minds, and that is for a reason. We can't
Hmm.
be all same on that same timeline.
Every
Professionally,
journey
your
is different.
timeline starts.
Hmm.
Yeah, professionally, your timeline starts when you have invested in that organization and your roots are
Right.
strong to
Right.
grow further. That's when your timeline starts.
Right.
Personally, your timeline starts if you have a boyfriend or a
Hmm.
husband. When you both know each other well, your roots are
Hmm.
stronger. Then
Yeah.
your timeline of that relationship starts, because your roots are stronger now. Then you're ready to grow.
Right.
So we have to be careful. That's my fourth tip. That be very cautious of rat races, timelines, and comparisons.
Hmm.
Because comparison भी मेरे साथ तो ऐसी हुई थी कि, you know, people asked me, अरे स्कूल के लोफर्स को जॉब लग गई, टॉपर को नहीं लग रही है जॉब अभी तक. So I was so discouraged के यार लोफर को जॉब लग गई, मैं टॉपर का क्या फायदा मतलब. So there are comparisons जो आप कितना भी meditate करो आपको बुरा लगेगा, So be aware, it's a comparison, that's it. So yeah,
Yeah,
that is my fourth tip. And my fifth tip is attitude. Attitude matters a lot.
a lot.
And
Yeah.
a lot. And first, there are four types of attitudes which I follow.
Mm-hmm.
First is attitude of gratitude. If you are not thanking God or universe or whoever you believe in for this life, this time, right now, you are not going to attract situations which will, basically, what you think is mirrored by the destiny or universe. If
Universe.
you're
Yeah.
not thankful
Yeah.
right now for your blessings, you will attract more situations which are going to make you feel ungrateful. So being grateful is very important. Like right now, I am the happiest person on the earth because मुझे रोज अपने बेड पे सोने मिल रहा है, मुझे रोज घर का खाना मिल रहा है, अगर किसी की बर्थडे
Wow.
एनिवर्सरी है तो मुझे वो अटेंड करनी मिल रही है. So my profession doesn't allow me otherwise to enjoy all
Yeah.
these things. So
Yeah.
I'm extremely thankful to God. Corona,
Right.
of course, I'm not thankful, but this time, my reality,
The
I'm
side
thankful
effects of
to
Corona
God.
you're thankful for.
Yeah. So attitude of gratitude is important. Secondly, I follow this lotus theory, which my mother has always taught me. Like lotus, rises out from the mud. So of
Yeah.
course, we are going to have mud in your life. It is
Yeah.
upon you. अगर आपको victim, see, I will share what I'm sharing. What you're going through is okay. Cribbing is
Yeah.
okay. Crying it out is okay. But
Yeah.
playing that same tape recorder cassette in your head,
Again and again.
that again and again and
Yeah.
again is going to keep you in victim mentality, and it is going to keep you in the mud.
Yeah.
Other option is you rise like a lotus, you rise like nobody else will do that work,
Yeah.
or nobody else will be in that situation like you are. So
Right.
that is a lotus theory which I follow. And the third
So,
one is
just to
yeah.
add, it is so beautiful you are saying lotus, because lotus also has this quality. The leaf is waterproof. So normally what we
Oh,
say
is it?
is
Okay, yes,
वो
yes.
कीचड़ में होता है, but even if the
Uh-huh.
कीचड़ or the water sits on it, it slips from it. So
Yes,
even though you're
yes,
around the mud, you're still
absolutely.
keeping your positivity intact inside of you.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
amazing. I think I like your lotus theory a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and the third one is knowledge is power.
Yeah.
Knowledge is power. Hard work is power. Your life, आपके पास luck नहीं होगा, आपके पास contacts नहीं होंगे, आपके पास जुगाड़ नहीं होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा, कोई भी अच्छी चीज नहीं होगी, but you have your brain, you have your mindset, and you have the power of hard work and knowledge. Nobody can take that away from you. And trust
Right.
me, eventually आपका काम होता ही है. Like I am the living example of
हाँ.
it. And I
हाँ.
did it the way I got scholarship, I think because of that three idiots mentality. कामयाबी के पीछे नहीं, अपनी मेहनत और अब खुद को perfect करने के पीछे भागो. कामयाबी अपने आप आ जाएगी. So that is
Right.
true. That is true, because knowledge is power, hard work is power. That is my fifth tip. And sixth, last but not the least, is there are two books which have changed my life. The first one is The Secret, and the second one is You Can Heal Your Life by Louise
Yeah.
Hay.
Yeah.
Because for the only reason that there is a difference between healing and treatment. Healing
Yeah.
is something which happens inside you, in your roots. And once that happens, you can easily change your life. You can easily change your mentality. You can easily change your habits. And it also teaches you to visualize.
Yeah.
Everyone's belief systems
Yeah.
are different. Your
Yeah.
reality is not my reality. Like the way people are people's perceptions about corona are not my perceptions. I am not reading corona news. I am not thinking about corona because I feel what I'm thinking I'm going to attract. So I visualize that I'm
Absolutely.
going through the best time. I have the best health in the world, because obviously I have to give medical exams every year. I can't
Yeah.
afford to fall sick either ways. So I visualize And because of
Hmm.
that visualization, your belief systems change,
Hmm. They
So
do.
if you get the hold of those two books,
Hmm.
I'm sure your life will change. Not
Hmm.
immediately. You will have to keep rereading. I think I have read both
And
the books at
implement.
least 5 times.
Yeah,
I have
and
read it five
implement
times.
something from it.
Yeah, because the first time you read, correct, and the first time you read this book, no, your analytical mind, your logical mind will test you. It
Yeah,
will test you and ulta ho jayega. So you have to
right.
keep pursuing it. So for me, 5 times I've read both the books and they have changed my life like anything. The whole world was
Amazing.
complaining, the whole world was telling nahi ho jayega, but just
It
because of
happened.
my mindset, I think I have achieved that last abundance of scholarship and getting the airline job.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So
those are my 6 tips. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पकाऊंगी
amazing.
सबको.
Nahi, thank you so much, Ankita. I think it was really nice. So from not listening to the society to believing in yourself to actually taking up a spiritual practice for yourself, because I am a great believer of that as well. That
Absolutely.
meditation, Reiki gives you so much clarity in your life. And also the fourth thing that you said about, uh, you know, uh, doing your job irrespective of whatever people say. Not do not listen to
Yeah.
them, just listen to your close people, because it is what that will
Yes.
matter at the end of your journey. The last thing, of course, is the
Yeah.
attitude of
Yeah.
gratitude. I think that really helps, because I
Yes.
personally maintain like a gratitude journal, every night, writing every
Wow.
gratitude.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, and
So
I see that
inspiring.
amplifies and amplifies and amplifies more and more into the universe. So,
Yeah. Exactly. एंड माय टेक इज बहुत सारी चीजें यार हम लाइफ में करते हैं जो हमें पता है जो हमारे लिए अच्छी नहीं है. We will go and have a drink, we will have a smoke, we will have bad habits, yet knowing that for us we will indulge in things. So why not indulge and try the things that might get us something.
absolutely. Absolutely. So, people, thank you so much for being patient. I know there was a lag on the video. Ankita and my both our internets are not so great today.
Yeah,
And we
yeah,
will go
thank you
through the
so
video,
much.
and I will try to edit it and send you a
Yeah.
better one maybe at a later date. But meanwhile, I want you all to please, please, please write in the comment, what is it, what habit do you inculcate to actually believe in yourself, because each one of us has our own way of believing. We heard Ankita's 6 ways, and I have my ways of believing in myself. Put in your comments what is your way. And Ankita, I really want to thank you. Though we don't know each other since so many years, but
Yes, yes.
connection with you was almost like so instant. And I
Yes,
just feel,
yes.
that we are friends since a long time. There are a lot of common things that we share.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think the universe has conspired. The universe always conspires. But all thanks to you that I have got this opportunity, and you're so tech savvy that I really need to learn from you a lot of things. But
Thank you so
and thank
much.
you everyone for your patience, because जैसे लाइफ में कुछ भी होते रहता है, इंटरनेट के साथ भी कुछ भी होते रहता है. So thank you for being so patient and kind with both of us, and
Yes,
thank you
yes.
for this opportunity on this
And
platform. Yeah.
for all those people who are new, I see a lot of my usual audience on the live stream. But for people who are new, my name is Dr. Hema Bajaj, and this platform is called Lose Your Blues, because we want to promote stress free living. And every week we
Yeah.
call one real life hero who has lived a journey which is beyond the normal, to inspire all of us to implement things. So if you know of someone who has inspired your life and you want to bring them on this platform, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you want to see a specific topic or a profession, please also write that in the comments for me. And please subscribe the platform and like it, because then it becomes easy for me to really reach out to you guys. Ankita, thank you
Yeah.
so much. It was such a
Thank you
pleasure
so
to
much.
meet you and have
Same
a
here.
discussion with
Absolutely,
you.
a great initiative. Please keep on this initiative, because this helps, such initiatives help us to change our perspectives and realize the oneness we are, that on the earth, that we are somehow interlinked and our journeys are interlinked. So thank you for being that
Yes.
person to get this out for all of us.
Thank you. Bye,
Thank you.
Ankita.
Bye